This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Christina Grossu. Amazing Elizabeth and Unit 2 bedroom/2 bathroom condo in popular Elizabeth Place complex. Huge private patio. Unit features hardwood floors throughout with brand new carpet in bedrooms. Split bedroom floor plan features over 1,000 square feet of fully functional living space with full dining room/area and large living room with gallery lighting. Kitchen features granite countertops, stainless steel refrigerator, dishwasher, and plenty of cabinet space. Separate laundry room with stackable units to convey. Large master suite features upgraded bathroom with full shower and large walk-in closet. Tall ceilings, recessed lighting, and bar seating. Perfect condo for those looking to entertain. Patio is very private and unit is one of a few in the complex that have this size patio. Walk to all that Elizabeth and Plaza Midwood have to offer: Crunkleton, Stanley, Sunflower Bakery and more. For more information